Hi, I'm really excited to be dancing for the Pickle Factory Season 2 festival on November 1st. I'm dancing immersed, which is about looking at the persona of Krishna as life itself. So I question that who are you, Krishna? How can any man or woman or God herself or himself be all this and more? Please do come on the 1st. And I'm also very excited to be doing a workshop exploring the spine in Kathak. So I do hope that some of the Kathak students, I'm able to share my experience of dance with them. And there is a talk. So it's a full-on event and I'm really looking forward to performing, being there and soaking in the experience. So do come.